In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your design with someone in Canva. Sharing your work in Canva is really simple once you know where everything is, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly send your designs to teammates, clients, or friends without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that you have the design you want to share open on your screen. Take a moment to double check that this is the correct version of your design, especially if you've been making lots of edits. It's always a good idea to review your work before you send it to someone else. Now, look towards the top right corner of the Canva interface. Up there, near your profile area, you'll see a small plus icon. This is the main control you'll use to start sharing your design. Move your mouse over to that plus icon and click on it. When you click the icon, Canva will open a small sharing window or panel. Inside this panel, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. This is where you specify who you want to share your design with. Click into that field and carefully type the email of the person you want to send the design to. Make sure you spell the email correctly, because if there's a typo, the other person won't receive the invitation. If you're sharing with more than one person, you can type one email, press enter, and then add another, depending on your Canva setup. Before you move on, take a second to think about what kind of access you want to give. In most cases, you'll either want them to be able to view the design or to edit it. If Canva shows you an option to choose permissions, select the level that makes sense for your situation. For example, if you only want feedback and don't want your design changed, choose a view-only option. If you're collaborating and want them to make changes, choose an edit option. Once the email is typed in and the permissions look right, click on the share button in that same window. Canva will send an invitation to the email address or addresses you entered. The person you shared it with will receive a link, and when they click it, they'll be able to open your design in Canva with the access level you selected. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Canva design with someone using the plus icon, an email address, and the share button.